Oh, yo. Broke as a joke, sipping any out the bottom. I'm in church praying that she hit the lotto. Taylor on Twitter telling me to hit a follow. Know I gotta get it, cause get it is a model. Work all day, play all night. Gotta hustle, overtime. Out of sight, out of mind. That's okay, you'll be fine. You got $20 in your pocket, clap your hands. You got $50 in your pocket, clap your hands. Got $100 in your pocket, you the man. Now baby, turn around and do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Baby, turn around and do your money dance. Broke as a joke, girls didn't wanna see me. Mama praying for me that I make it on the TV. It's like a humble pie with a side of Beijing. Know I gotta grind, cause you know it ain't no freebies. Work all day, play all night. Gotta hustle, overtime. Out of sight, out of mind. That's okay, you'll be fine. You got $20 in your pocket, clap your hands. You got $50 in your pocket, clap your hands. Got $100 in your pocket, you the man. Now baby, turn around and do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Now baby, turn around and do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. I need y'all to follow me like this. Do your money dance. Right, now left, go and get you. Right, now left, go and get you. Back it up, go and get you. Right, now left, now go and get you. You got $20 in your pocket, clap your hands. You got $50 in your pocket, clap your hands. Got $100 in your pocket, you the man. Now baby, turn around and do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Now baby, turn around and do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Do your money dance. Baby, turn around and do your money dance.
Let's learn Money. It's choreographed by Jacob Rowland and Dominica Dunnigan. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance. It has a tag prior to starting wall 10. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the 36 count tag that happens before you start wall 10. And then we're going to go around and dance 10 full walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Money. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to shuffle forward with our right, step our right foot forward, left together, right forward. You're going to step forward with your left foot, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock, and you're going to do a left shuffle forward, right together, left forward. You're now going to rock forward with your right, and then recover back onto your left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, shuffle forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. You're going to cross your left behind your right. Then you're going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. You're now going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and you're going to weave right behind left side, right cross. Let's try it with some counts, facing 6 o'clock, weights on your left foot. You're starting with that quarter turn. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a quarter turning heel grind over our left shoulder. You're going to take your left heel, place it forward with your toes slightly pointed to the right. You're going to put your weight onto your left heel, and you're going to swivel your toes from right to left, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 6 o'clock, and then recover onto your right foot. You're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. We're now going to do a quarter heel grind over our right shoulder. You're going to take your right heel, place it forward with your toes slightly pointed to the left. You're going to put your weight onto your right heel, and you're going to swivel your toes from left to right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, and recover onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to quickly step back with your right and place your left heel forward and hold. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our behind side cross. Right is crossed over left. You're doing that heel grind quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to quickly step your left next to your right. Step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to hold. We're now going to do a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. And you're going to hold. We're now going to do 2 sailor steps, starting with our right. You're going to cross your right behind your left. Step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. You're now going to do a left sailor step, cross your left behind your right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that last part with some counts. Weight would be on your right foot, left heel is forward. You're going to quickly step that left next to your right. And 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So now, let's face the front. We're going to do the whole thing through, one time with steps, one time with counts, and then we'll talk about some styling that you can add into the dance. Weights on your left foot. You're starting with your shuffle forward, right shuffle, forward, step, half pivot, left shuffle, forward, rock, recover, quarter, behind ball, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, behind side, cross, quarter, heel, grind, recover, coaster, step, quarter, heel, grind, recover, ball, heel, hold, ball, step, hold, half step, hold, sailor, step, sailor, step. Weight will end on your left foot, facing 3 o'clock, ready to start the next wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, shuffling forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8, and 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, some styling that you can do in this dance. On the walls, where it's the chorus, so it's saying, do your money dance over and over again. It says, if you got something in your pocket, clap your hands. On the parts where it says clap your hands, slightly after they say clap your hands, you're going to do double claps. Sometimes it's going to be on your rock and then your recover back. You're going to want to double clap. Sometimes it's going to be on your weave. Whenever you hear clap your hands, slightly after that, you can do a double clap if you would like. The other thing that you can do is on the same parts where you would clap, the song is going to say, you're the man. So on that heel, you can do muscle arms if you would choose to. On the sailor steps, whenever they're saying do your money dance, you can put your hand out like you're holding a stack of money and you're flinging money off your hand as you're doing those sailor steps. These are all extras that you can add in. You can choose to do it or you can choose to not to. It's totally up to you. Or you can add some of your own fun stuff in and make the dance your own. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag happens one time and one time only. You're going to dance wall 9, which will be your 12 o'clock facing wall. You'll dance the full 32 counts coming to 3 o'clock. Before you start wall 10, you're going to add on a 36 count tag. This tag is going to start at 3 o'clock and return to 3 o'clock, and it's a lot of repeating steps. The song is going to tell you what to do. It's going to say step to the right, step to the left with some other words in it, and you're going to repeat that twice. So we're going to do a big step to the right, bring your left toe into your right, then you're going to step to the left, bring your right toe into your left. You're now going to cross your right over your left and hold, and you're going to do a half unwind over your left shoulder, keeping your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Big step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now, weight is on your left foot. You're facing 9 o'clock. We're going to repeat what we just did. So a big step to the right, drive your left toe in. Big step to the left, drag your right toe in. Cross your right over your left and hold. Do that half unwind over your left shoulder, keeping your weight onto your left foot to return to 3 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Big step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3 of the tag. You're going to step back with your right and you're going to hold. You're going to step back with your left and you're going to hold. But you want to put your weight all the way back onto your left foot so your right foot is free. We're now going to do a big step forward with our right. And as you step forward, you're going to bring your hands like you're pulling yourself in. So you're going to do that big step with your right, pulling yourself in, driving that left toe into your right, and you're going to step your left next to your right, taking weight onto that left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have unwound to face 3 o'clock, step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. We're going to do those side touches again. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, drag your left toe in, step your left foot to the left side, drag your right toe in. We're now going to cross our right over left and we're going to hold. And instead of doing a half unwind, we're going to do a full one coming back to 3 o'clock. So you're going to do a full unwind over your left shoulder, keeping your weight onto your left foot, and you're facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that part with some counts. Step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the final section is only 4 counts. And it's the freestyle section. So you can really choose what you would like to do. You could do a Charleston, you could do Apple Jacks, you could do a full spin around for 4 counts, you could drop it low, whatever you would like to do for 4 counts. I'm going to do the Charleston because that's what they do in their videos. So all you're going to do is touch your right toe forward, and if you would like to do like the swivels as you do it, you can totally do like the swivels. To keep it simple, you're just going to do a Charleston forward, touch your right toe forward, step your right back, touch your left toe back, step forward. And that is the end of the tag. But like I said, you could totally throw in some Apple Jacks. You have 4 counts to do something that you would like to do to end that tag. Whatever it is, as long as your weight is on your left foot, facing 3 o'clock, have fun with those last 4 counts. I will be doing Charlestons for dance purposes, but when you're learning it, add in your own fun. So now, let's do the whole tag all the way through, 1 time with steps and 1 time with counts. Weight's going to be on your left foot. You're doing that big step to the right. Side touch, cross, hold, half unwind, hold, step right, touch, step left, touch, cross, hold, half unwind, step back right, hold back left, hold big step, drag, step together, step right, touch, step left, touch, cross, full unwind, and then do your Charleston, touch forward, step back, touch back, step forward. Or Apple Jack, you could do that sassy touch and point, whatever you would like to do. Now let's try it with some counts. Big step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you would go right into the dance all over again with your shuffle, half pivot, shuffle. It's the only time that you have to worry about that tag. The wall before it is going to kind of let you know. The music changes very slightly for the wall prior to you doing the tag. So if you listen to it, you should get a hint that it is coming. So now we're going to go all the way around. We're going to do 10 walls of the dance, which means we're going to do our tag and then the 10 rotation of the actual dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our shuffle. Right shuffle, step, half pivot, left shuffle, rock, recover, quarter, behind ball, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, behind side, cross, quarter, heel grind, left coaster, step, quarter, heel grind, fall, heel, hold ball, side, hold, half, hold, sailor, sailor shuffle forward, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8 and 1. Hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle, step, half pivot, shuffle, rock, recover, quarter, behind ball, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, behind side, cross, quarter, heel grind, coaster, step, quarter, heel grind, fall, heel, hold, ball, side, hold, half, hold, sailor, step, shuffle, forward, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8 and 1. Hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle, half pivot, shuffle, rock, recover, quarter, behind side, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, weave, heel grind, quarter with your coaster, step, heel grind, fall, heel, fall side, hold, quarter, hold, sailor, sailor, shuffle, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8 and 1. Hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle, half pivot. Shuffle, rock, recover, quarter, behind side, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, behind side, cross, quarter, heel grind, and coaster, step, quarter, heel grind, fall, heel, hold, ball, side, hold, half, hold, sailor. Now shuffle forward, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8 and 1. Hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. At the end of this wall, you're going to go into your tag. Shuffle, half pivot. Shuffle, rock, recover, quarter side, behind side, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, weave, heel grind, quarter, coaster step, heel grind, quarter, ball, heel, ball side, hold, half, hold, sailor step. Now do your tag, step right, step left, cross, hold, unwind, step right, step left, cross, hold, unwind, step back right, hold, left, hold, big step, drag, step right, step left, cross, full unwind, then do your 4 counts, forward and back, start over, shuffle, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8 and 1. Hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn money. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.